Hey nail tubers, what is up Nailification Squad? It's our next item up for review and it came just as you're seeing it. And check out the name, which is why I chose this, well aside from the price. It came in this beautiful plastic Ziploc bag. The package is adorned with this special pricing sticker in a lovely yellow gold. I love that you can see every flask with its own unique color label right away. Each bottle is individually bagged to protect from unexpected spilling. Isn't that so special? They really put a lot of thought into this. I can't wait to give them a try. There are a total of 10 summer colors in 8 milliliter, 27-ounce plastic bottles. I'm just tossing them. You guys know I'm being totally sarcastic, right? But wait and watch the rest. So here are the swatches, and I really don't have much of any expectations by way of first impression, so I'm just gonna let you watch this first one. And I'll show you the finished swatches in a bit. These polishes aren't named, so you'll see each number on the screen. Any thoughts so far? I'm curious if we're thinking the same. Leave it in the comments. I just can't get over that it's called Pict You and the label says Pict You Color Gels. So you know we had to do a review on these. So far, by this third swatch, I am actually very pleasantly surprised by these polishes. I really like the fluidity and how they go on. Look at how smooth. And y'all know I'm not very fond of short stem brushes, but they worked very well with the polish. Look at this green. First and foremost, let alone the packaging, the fact that they came in these plastic bottles left less to be desired at first, but this green girl, it's so extravagant looking and beautiful, isn't it? Maybe it won't be noticeable through the camera, but all but 2 of the 10 did match the color labels, the orange and mint green, which you'll see are a tad bit lighter. This is one that blew me away. It's a little lighter than the tag as I mentioned, but isn't it so pretty? Or are you into the bright colors like me? It has kind of a mustard like gold tone to it, doesn't it? Yeah, so my initial assumption of these polishes were very low. But they polish very well and have great coverage too. In the back of my mind, I was thinking this better not be disappointing with a name similar to mine. It has really nice continuity and feels smooth to polish too. And I really like how it smooths out right away. This yellow and I think the pastel nude streaked just a little, but in all fairness, that is not uncommon with pastel colors. Pastel polishes take much practice and often takes more coats and thin layers, and this is whether it's regular or gel polish. This is very pretty. So this is the other one that's slightly lighter than the label, but it's still so beautiful. I just did a BOUJEE nails on a budget set similar to this color. This is like a really cute baby pink, right? So guys, it turns out I like these polishes, and as I thought about it more, the plastic bottling make them so lightweight, which by impression, I was thinking in my mind cheap. But then I started thinking they'd be good as tote polishes for travel, to take to work in case of emergency, and especially for a nail student or a mobile tech who carries nail equipment from place to place. And now someone is going to get to try these. If you've been following this channel, you know this is a try it with me giveaway in which someone will be sent this very same affordable Amazon nail product to review too. And it doesn't matter that you don't have an active YouTube channel. So here's how it's going to work, because I came up with a couple more ideas since we did the first one. As an example, the easiest thing to do would be to go back and check out the playlist under the same name, Affordable Amazon Nail Haul, Try It With Me, where I reviewed the color nails, then Nails with Nena was gifted with the same thing and she did her review. So in essence, if you're chosen, you are trying the same product with me. If you do have an active YouTube channel, you do a video reviewing the product, which gives you content, right? Then you come back to mine and add some brief comments. Then send me your video link and I'll create a community tab and include your video in the playlist. The playlist then becomes a reference for everyone who wants to see what we had to say about an affordably priced product they've been considering. Or if you don't have an active YouTube channel, All you have to do is review the product on your own, then go back to my video and place your comments, and I'll pin it to the top in the comment section and also do a community tab for you. I've been so excited about doing this. And the person that's going to be receiving these Pict You color gel polishes is Impressions by Angie. Congratulations, Angie, and I'm so excited to see your review. Be sure to reach out to me on Instagram at Pict You Color. I really hope you enjoyed this today because so far they have been so much fun and exciting to me. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to my channel because there's so much more to come, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.